Hello everyone. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a new approach for managing diabetes. Diabetes has become a very common disease these days. You probably know someone who has it. If you're dealing with diabetes yourself, how are you managing it? Many people rely on medication, diet control, and exercise as prescribed by their doctors. However, these methods alone might not be enough for complete treatment. Today, I want to introduce you to a method called Saam Acupuncture. Surprisingly, this method doesn't use actual needles, but just a regular ballpoint pen. This means you can do it anytime, anywhere, without any burden. In traditional Eastern medicine, diabetes is seen as a disease caused by heat accumulating in the internal organs. This heat affects various parts of our body, causing symptoms like thirst, overeating, and frequent urination. Now, let me explain how to do this. First, remember the principle of left for men, right for women. Men should treat the left side, women the right side. If you have a particularly uncomfortable side, you can treat the opposite side. First, find the Hengen point. Press gently with your pen and rotate counterclockwise 8 times. Then, move to the Sobu point and do the same thing, press gently and rotate 8 times counterclockwise. The key is to repeat this method consistently. You might not feel much difference at first, but if you keep at it, you'll definitely notice changes. Remember, diabetes is not an invincible disease. It can be overcome with active management. Why not start right now with just a pen? Take this first step towards reclaiming your health. Your healthy future starts now. I'm rooting for your health and well-being. Thank you.